fucking face! Get down!
We're here. We're at the Sevo off Backlick. We're about to slide in a minute.
Josh, Matt, say what's up to the gang.
What up?
Man, we working right now. We working, but don't worry. We're gonna get to playing in a little bit. Got the camp set up. It's looking good. Everyone's at ease. Dogs are chilling. People are chilling. Everybody got a drink in their hand. Made it up the mountain around the time that we wanted to. We said we wanted to get here around 1:30ish. We got here around 2:15. So we stayed within that time frame a little bit, but things couldn't have gone smoother, especially as far as setup. Everyone knew exactly what they were doing, and you know, we made it happen.
I mean, look at how many cars we have here. We have like what, 10?
9.
9 and 17 people here. This campsite is huge. Second annual KO camp out, and we have
Starting with a bang.
Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. We have a great dinner. So I can't wait to see what that looks like, and it's gonna be fun.
And quick shout out to Ubon for being the third and final sleeping pad that I got. That joint is 3 times more comfortable. Came with 2 inflatable pillows, as you can see here.
What the fuck? This shit is firm as fuck.
We got niggas goozing over this joint right now.
Live.
So just want to give a quick shout out to them, because if I can get a solid night's sleep on this, y'all got a customer for life. One thing for sure. Love y'all. Yeah! Yo, what do you?
Yo, what's good? This is Kinda Outside. This is KO Camp 2024. Yo, we've been here for a little bit. It's 7:08 right now, and yeah, it's all vibes, bro. We're cooking up right now, dinner. Dibs on the ribs. She's killing that shit.
We got about 17 people here with us now. It was a great turnout. Right now we're working on dinner. Like Brian said, we got Adri, Dibs on the Ribs.
Yeah.
Working on the eats right now. So we gonna get. I promise you gonna get some fire footage that you guys gonna see what she's cooking up. Since we set up camp around 3 o'clock, it's about 7 right now. It's just been straight vibes, just kind of hanging out. Just making sure that everybody's comfortable, everyone's set up, everyone seems to be all good. So now it's just time to sip on some happy dads, no free shout outs, and you know, just let the vibes kind of roll on. But we got some movies queued up, we got a few games, we got a few other things up our sleeves, so shit's looking smooth right now.
One thing I wanted to say is Dibs on the Ribs coming out, cooking up for us tonight. We love that. You know, anybody who loves food like we do, they know that camping and food go hand in hand. Couldn't ask for anything better. So yeah, shout out Adri for blessing us. Food's about to hit.
Shout out to all of our content creators doing all sorts of other shit that, you know, we can intertwine, link and build and collab on. Hit us up. We'll hit you up. It's link and build. Nigga, that's real cotton. Nigga, stop stretching that shit.
Okay, big
just,
bro.
I would say something, but I would just. Hey.
Look at me.
Y'all
like,
heard this
bring him into this? Like, bro, this
I would just come in when I need to come in, man. Yeah. Come on. All right. That's what. All right. So there's what, 9 cars, 17 people total. Like, we got a whole community out here right now. And yeah, shout out to everyone who came out, because you know, a lot of people were like, "Oh, talk." All right, no disrespect. Oh yeah, I want to come camping. They ain't even hit us.
Nah, disrespect. Nah, straight up disrespect.
Everybody get in on the disrespect.
We got what? 1, 2, 3. I can't even count on my hand.
Yeah, we got more.
You can't even count on the hands, bro.
We got the whole gang. We got some lovely ladies over there too that's hanging out with us.
Most definitely.
Most definitely.
Like an ankle broke, bro.
Most definitely. What that mean, bro? Chill out, bro.
All I'm saying is this: we out here, we outside, and we having a good time. That's all that matters.
Very outside. Get ready for it and you put it like you're supposed to. It's like.
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Come on now. What's good?
Hi, thank you for having me.
Yeah, of course. We just said over there, like, we're so grateful for you coming out here and cooking for us. Like,
No, thank you for having me.
food and camping go hand in hand.
Right.
So, and we love to eat, so that's perfect. Yeah, I just wanted to ask you, like, what are you cooking?
So today we're having some short beef ribs with chorizo, which is the pork sausage, and we're gonna have some guacamole and some rice on the side. Something simple, nothing heavy.
Right. Awesome.
I mean, still tasty, but not too heavy.
It looks delicious. It looks delicious, honestly.
But yeah, I'm excited. Thank you guys for having me.
Yeah, of
Like,
course.
this is cool.
Yeah, and make sure you guys follow Dibs on the Ribs. Hit her up. She has great eats. KO certified.
One bike is. I know, did he? Yeah, chill out, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. Very Diddy.
Beef rib is going crazy. You made it again? Insane. Dibs on the Ribs made that. Dibs on the Ribs made the ribs. Yeah, that's actually immaculate. That's actually wonderful, beautifully tasting food. Like, I love that. That was great. I gotta crush that now.
Second base! That's out!
Ebb said he got his water bottle stolen at the gym.
Oh, that's wild.
Yeah.
That's gross. Like, why are you taking niggas?
And then one of their boys got their vape stolen at the gym.
What was that?
Y'all
scaredy asses, bro.
Nigga, someone
for
just
being
throw
so
him
crazy,
outside, nigga. All right, y'all. I guess just me right now. We got everybody packing up. As you can see, the campsite's pretty much broken down. Let's say it's like 10, 15, 10:30-ish. About to go, once we're all finished packing up, we're about to go down towards the water, get some fishing in, chill around there, whip up some breakfast, some bacon, some eggs. You can't go wrong with a bacon, egg, and cheese. You know, we might do some breakfast nachos, you know, some eggs, some shredded chicken, double homicide shit.
I went down to Rocky Mount, North Carolina a few years ago. Did some duck hunting, did some deer hunting. Got me a nice little deer. Got a bunch of deer sausage, back straps, stew meat, bunch of shit. So yeah, I think that's all of the deer sausage, but I do have stew meat. So like
You have been saying that for a while.
so like if we come out
You
here,
love a stew.
I love stews. I always talk about I love stews, man. So like next time, maybe one of our camping trips we'll make some stew.
That'd be
Tough, bro. We just get a big ass pot and just.
You know,
fucking-
I'm just like, the only reason I get like scared of that stuff, I don't even want to say
He
scared.
don't like his vegetables, bro.
No, I love vegetables. My thing is that like having to leave something over controlled heat, but it's like a fire, not like a stove.
Yeah.
I just feel like,
Shit, we got a battery, bro. We could bring a slow cooker out here if we want.
shit, you gotta bring the ninja foodie
We,
out
we
here.
were playing in a projector last night. We can bring a slow cooker.
Yeah, we were getting freaky with the Talladega Nights.
Yeah.
If you're not first, you're last. A little bit of shake, and a little bit of bake.
I saw this on TikTok actually, and this guy was cooking sliders as like a way to feed like a large amount of people, and it's like the easiest thing you could do is just cook one big slab of meat basically, and then you could just kind of put it right on the Hawaiian rolls, and then it just turns out to be sliders. We're gonna try it on the BioLite and see how it goes, but I'll put in the his somewhere. Here.
What we about to eat, man?
We're about to have some nachos. I shredded some chicken before I left. Again, it's fuck chicken breast till the day I die. But yeah, we're about to get some nachos going. I was thinking we was gonna do breakfast joints. We'll probably just do some regular shredded chicken and, you know, the veg and all that good stuff. But they weren't feeling the double homicide chicken and egg nacho combo.
With bacon.
Yeah, with bacon. That sweet, sweet swine, my boy. Yeah, slapping. A1. A1 que rico. All right, brother.
Well, we had ourselves a great time. No, but it was definitely a great time. Huge turnout. Met a lot of cool people. A lot of folks that were in, I mean, Matt was from Oregon and Josh from Maryland. So just giving people an opportunity to come out here and enjoy the beautiful nature like we always do. So I would say second annual KO Camp Out was a success.
We camped out all night with this big group, had a fire dinner, woke up this morning, had to come to the lake. You know, got a little swimming in, got a great lunch in. What was it? Smash burgers, on Hawaiian rolls,
teriyaki skewers, steak skewers.
Oh my gosh. I just wish we could stay longer, but that's how it usually is. But yeah, no, it was an awesome trip. Had a great time, man.
This trip was very podium. we was icing hard, icing very hard.
Yeah.
But now we got to fork a little bit, and it's until next time. But you know, we had a great time here this weekend. It was only a one-day trip, but normally we like to go for 2 nights. But I think we made the most out of the time that we had here. Between, you know, getting up the mountain, we got a little bit of trails in. Ate good. Like I said, we was icing hard. And now we got our swimming in. We did a little bit of fishing. Ate a great lunch, and it's time to call it a day.
I just appreciate everyone who came out. You know, big village shit. Appreciate everyone who came out, who tested the limits, tested themselves. Shout out to the women that came out with us this trip too. Like, they had such a great time, you know. Got some swimming in, like, it doesn't get better than that. So yeah, shout out to everybody who came along on this kind of outside camp with friends.
And for anybody that is thinking about it, on the fence about it, once you see this, I hope that, you know, you kind of see it's a little bit more accessible. It's real easy. It's not going to be doing too much, and it's a great time. So just keep that in the memory banks.
Yeah. Should we do some shout outs?
Yeah, we should. Shout out Ubon, first sleeping pad that I got that hasn't deflated in the middle of the night. Came with 2 pillows. Love you guys.
Yeah. Shout out Matt and Josh for coming out with us. Awesome dudes, awesome whips too. Yeah, next time come out with us again. Shout out my girl's mom, Miss Anna. She made a awesome like crochet blanket for me. So yeah, shout out to you if you're watching this. Thank you. We love you. Appreciate that. Shout out TMS from Death Row. Shout out Glock 30.
Nah, hell nah, bro. Hell nah.
Who's a C Nova?
Yeah.
Shout out C Nova.
All my cooler C Nova.
One of the cooler brothers out there.
You know what? Hey, shout out air conditioning. Shout out air conditioning. You don't realize how much you appreciate it till you out here doing some fun shit. But
nah, shout out that breeze though. Fuck the AC. We got natural breeze out here. Just shout out North Face. Shout out. Shit.
I feel like we didn't get, like, there's not a lot of like new shit.
Hey Neb, come here, bro.
We don't know the outcome of the UFC fight yesterday because we have no service.
Yeah.
Shout out Alex Pereira. He won in 3rd round.
Pull time. Yeah, we put bread on you, buddy.
Jama.
So when we get service in a minute, you better get a fucking dub. I'm gonna be pissed,
or I'm
bro.
gonna fucking get a nasty DM.
He won't even understand that.
Don't worry, I got Google Translate. You don't feel me, nigga. Shout out Italy if they won. If they didn't, them niggas. Them niggas were ass. Couldn't conquer shit. You know what I mean?
Shout out Dibs on the Ribs.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Shout out Adri.
Oh my God, that's
Crazy
so good.
eats.
That
Y'all
shit's
need
so
to really
good.
tap in her.
Get a fucking plate.
We'll put her profile in the description below.
Yeah.
But make sure to give her some love. Show her some love. Her food is phenomenal.
Yeah.
It's like that type of food that like you could just tell her some love put in it.
Smack your mama.
Yeah, shout out to Adri from Dibs on the Ribs. She really tested herself.
Real
Came out
trooper.
camping. Real trooper. She had a great time.
She make great food too.
Yeah, awesome food. Like, definitely need her back out
She's
here.
awesome.
She's cooking
so
the way
nice.
she's cooking it up. So, yeah, thanks for cooking up with us, Adri.
We'll see you again soon.
Hey, shout out my boy Minor for coming out with us again, bro. Like, man's is kind of outside, bro. He's
What the
KO
fuck?
gang, bro.
Shout out Neil. Shout out Tyler. Shout out Kelsey.
Shout out Kelsey. Yeah,
Noah.
Kelsey came out here. Shout out Noah.
This is actually Noah's first time coming out, and you know he actually balled out on his gear.
where is
That
Noah?
is a man of the woods for real.
So,
For
We
real.
had a great time. It's a fucking wrap. We'll see y'all next year
Yeah.
at the KO 3rd annual camp out.